Good morning. Today is Wednesday, May the 30th, 2018. It's about 8:28 in the morning, and it's still raining. It's rained all night, pretty heavy, and on TV now they're starting to worry about dams breaching and overflowing. My video from yesterday was late because my memory card reader quit working. So we're going to go into town this morning and go back to Radio Shack and see if they got anything like it. We're on our way to Newland. See how far we get and how much water there is. We're here in the heart of Newland. Main entrance. There's McDonald's. Sausage McMuffin for us. Yeah, we're here at the Radio Shack, just leaving. I got a new memory card reader, see if it works. I'm afraid it might be my computer. Here we are at the senior center. Larry's hoping for something to eat.
A snack.
And a cup of coffee. Some of the garden plots got water standing in them. It's all over the walk. I guess ours is okay up there on the bank. We're up here by the dam. You can see all the debris. It's backed up before it goes over. All washed down the river. It's the Linville River. And there's the water. In and out. Way back toward home. Now that we've seen the lake. Oh my, that house did burn. I went there one time for a garden tour. I wonder where it started.
See the back of it melted?
Oh yeah, the back porch roof's melted. This is my memory card reader that quit working yesterday, that I couldn't do my video this morning or last night. And this is the new one that I got at Radio Shack this morning. So it worked today. I don't know how long it's going to work. I'm not sure if it's the readers or the ports in my computer, because this is my other DVD writer reader and it's not seeing it, so now it's not working. Larry's gonna clean and chop the onions that we brought up with us from the garden. Is 4 the total?
Huh?
Is 4 the total onions?
5 left. I think we peeled one, didn't we?
Yeah, I think we ate one. Well, he's going to chop those. I got some ham on the stove trying to thaw to go with the sweet potatoes we're having for lunch. For lunch today we got ham and baked sweet potatoes and salad. I made brownies. They got pecans in them.
We had a word find from the Bible beginning with bees, all bees. And I got all of mine. And I think Laura had to have some help with 4 of them. But she finally got it with a little bit of help.
Yeah, with the battle of the word find. So, I had those last 4 I couldn't find anywhere. He had to tell me.
At least I was here to help her.
Yes. Who knew they could be so difficult?
You're welcome.
It's 7:24 and raining. It's been raining off and on all day, mostly on. I think we got 2 or 3 more days before it goes away. At least clears up some. At least we're nice and high up here and there's no worry about flooding at this place. Good night. God bless.